वीणा की झंकार हूं मैं, वाणी का दरबार हूं मैं, सांसों सा लाचार हूं मैं, हूं लघु मगर विस्तार हूं मैं। आओ मुझे मिटा दो, ख्वाबों का आधार हूं मैं, शब्दों का श्रृंगार हूं मैं, प्राणों की हुंकार हूं मैं, हूं स्वप्न मगर संसार हूं मैं।
आओ मुझे मिटा दो, मेघों का मल्हार हूं मैं, लफ्जों का कलमकार हूं मैं, अंधेरों की ललकार हूं मैं, हूं कड़ू मगर उपहार हूं मैं। आओ मुझे मिटा दो, कहने का अधिकार हूं मैं। आओ मुझे मिटा दो, कहने का अधिकार हूं मैं। आओ।
Most important development this evening is coming from the Bombay High Court, where the Sahitya Akademi Award-winning writer Kabir is facing multiple charges of sedition and disruption of public order for writing his novel The Discovery of India. Let us go to the Bombay High Court.
Akhil Bharatiya Gandhi Samiti versus Kabir. The prosecution lawyer may begin the proceedings.
Your Honor, I do not doubt that Mr. Kabir is a remarkable writer. I do not doubt that his previous books have sold over 1 million copies. I do not doubt that he was well on his way to become one of the greatest writers of this country. But, Your Honor, I also do not doubt that he went too far this time. In writing this book, Mr. Kabir has violated the law. Mr. Kabir has attacked the very pillars of this great nation. He has not only offended my plaintiff, but also more than 1 billion people who look upon this country and our founding fathers for inspiration and conduct. Thank you.
Does the defense have an opening remark? No, sir. Ms. Dikshita, you may proceed.
I would like to call upon the plaintiff, convener of Akhil Bharatiya Gandhi Samiti, Mr. Sadmohan Shah. Mr. Shah, could you please introduce yourself?
जी, मेरा नाम सदमोहन शाह है। मैं पिछले 14 वर्षों से अखिल भारतीय गांधी समिति ABGS का संचालक रहा हूँ।
कितने सदस्य हैं ABGS के हिंदुस्तान में?
जी, कुछ 3000 स्वयं संचालक हैं और 13000 रजिस्टर्ड सदस्य हैं।
तो सदमोहन जी, क्या करती है आपकी संस्था?
जी, हम सब गांधीवादी हैं। हम महात्मा के दिखाए हुए उसूलों और मूल्यों का पालन तो करते ही हैं, साथ ही साथ गांव में, छोटे छोटे शहरों में सोशल वर्क भी करते हैं।
आपने कहा आप गांधीवादी हैं
जी
और आपने ये किताब पढ़ी है, पूरी पढ़ी है।
जी, पूरी पढ़ी है।
कैसी लगी आपको?
अश्लील और भद्दी। आपको जानना है क्यों? सबसे पहले नाम ही देख लीजिए आप, इंडिया की स्पेलिंग गलत। कुछ भी नाम दे सकते थे इस किताब को, लेकिन शायद कबीर जी ने इस देश का नाम बिगाड़ने की ठान रखी थी, या फिर इन्हें परवाह ही नहीं थी कि ये क्या लिखे जा रहे हैं।
Your Honor, this is a statement given by Mr. Kabir to the media at the book launch. No, it is not a typo. If it was a typo, I expect at least the publisher might have noticed it. It is intentional and I'm actually proud of it. Your Honor, he is proud of it. सदमोहन जी, नाम के अलावा क्या गलत लगा आपको इस किताब में?
पूरी किताब ही गलत है। हिंदुस्तान को इन्होंने एक तुच्छ कंपनी के समान बताया और गांधी जी को एक पागल वैज्ञानिक की तरह जो अपनी ही धुन में रहता है। इनकी किताब के कुछ किरदार उन्हें पागल पागल ऐसे शब्दों से बुलाते हैं। क्या यह अपेक्षा होती है एक साहित्य अकादमी जीते हुए लेखक से?
India has been misspelled and reduced from a great nation to a corporate machinery. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, the man responsible for uniting India, is depicted as a mad scientist. Your Honor, I cannot imagine the embarrassment that India as a nation will face when this book is read all around the world. What will they say? Look, the very people whom Mahatma Gandhi liberated are making a nuisance out of his memory. This court cannot be a bystander and watch the very people it serves be mocked and disgraced. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
Does the defense have anything to say?
Yes, sir. I would like to cross question.
Defense, please approach the bench. Are you sure you do not need a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
All right then, you may continue.
Thank you, sir. मिस्टर शाह, आपको मेरी किताब पसंद नहीं आई?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
क्या गलत लगा आपको इस किताब में? कोई एक हिस्सा, कोई एक चैप्टर?
पूरी किताब ही गलत है। इन किताब के हर एक पन्ने पर देश के साथ विद्रोह किया आपने।
अच्छा, सदमोहन जी, इस किताब का लेखक होने के नाते मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, चैप्टर 28 में क्या गलत लगा आपको?
चैप्टर 28 वो चैप्टर इस देश के खिलाफ है। अरे देश के ही नहीं, देशवासियों के, जिन महात्माओं ने हमें आजादी दिलाई, हमारा संविधान रचा, जिन क्रांतिकारियों ने अपनी जान न्यौछावर कर दी ताकि हम और आप आजाद भारत में चैन की सांस ले सके, उन सब के खिलाफ है चैप्टर 28, माय लॉर्ड।
योर ऑनर, देयर आर ओनली 20 चैप्टर्स इन द बुक। अभी तो आपने कहा कि आपने पूरी किताब पढ़ी है। सर, दिस प्रूव्स दैट मिस्टर शाह हियर इज लाइंग। अभी भी आप खुद को गांधीवादी समझते हैं?
Objection, Your Honor, badgering.
Sorry, I withdraw. Sir, the plaintiff has clearly not read the book. How can he pass a judgment on something he has not even read fully? This is the fundamental flaw in the prosecution's argument, sir. It's been only a week since the book's release. Very few people have actually read the book. What you are listening to is a biased point of view. I suggest that this book be read and shown widely to an intellectually mature audience, an audience that can analyze the book layer by layer, an audience which is aware of the history of this country. And then we should ask that aware, historically educated audience what they think about discovery of India.
छात्रावास 1, 5, 8 और 10 प्रस्तुत करते हैं डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया।
गांधी, ए मिस्टर गांधी, काय रे मिस्टर गांधी, अरे सुना बे, अरे रे 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 रे, गांधी का नाम के लिया हजारों में लोग आगे देखने हैं। अरे गांधी देखो, तुमको देखने, गांधी ना बुरा देखते, ना बुरा सुनते, ना ही बुरा बोलते, इसलिए शायद हमारी नहीं बनती है। कुछ भी दिखाओ, देखने आ जाते, लोग के लोग हैं एकदम।
Oh, hello. Is this Mr. John Nero's office?
Oh, hello, Mr. Monty Batra. I'm John Nero, CFO India Incorporated. Very pleased to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine, Mr. Nero.
Should we go and meet our director, Mr. Gandhi?
Sure, by all means.
You might have to follow me a little. Before we meet Mr. Gandhi, let me tell you that he might seem a little out of the ordinary. Extraordinary, if you will. But let me assure you, he's one of the sharpest minds I've ever met. This way.
So, why is there no table and chair in his office?
Oh, he thinks sitting on a chair in an air-conditioned office makes him lazy. He's given up all material obsessions in life.
And what is that on the walls?
That's just his work. Equations, formulas, chemical reactions. His experiments, basically. He likes calling them his experiments with truth. Let's go. Mr. Gandhi?
Oh, come in, Mr. Nero.
He's Mr. Batra, and he's interested in investing in our company.
Oh, I'm pleased to meet you, Mr. Batra. So tell me, how may I help you?
So, Mr. Gandhi, I would like to see your work and what you are trying to achieve here. I'm told it is very ambitious. Some have even told me that it is next to impossible.
People have told me that too, Mr. Batra. And I bet you on this vintage coin that you will call it impossible too. Hey, take it. Let's take a tour of the office. Come, this way. Yeah, careful. Yeah. So, Mr. Batra, what do you think about the world today? How different is it from the world you were born in?
It is very different. In fact, it has changed completely.
Right. Even I think the same, Mr. Batra. You see, 100 years ago, the world had enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed. But all of us were greedy. We wanted more and more from our nature. We kept on using the coal, the oil, and all the fossil fuels, and now we have run out of them. So we, in this company, are trying to create fire. That is a source of heat, source of energy without depending on the fossil fuels. Now come on, with so much burning of the fossil fuels, the air was polluted beyond measure, And now there's no fresh air to breathe, Mr. Batra. And in future, I'm afraid people are going to need doses of fresh air just like medicine.
So, you are chemically synthesizing artificial air, artificial breathable oxygen.
Exactly! Then, because of the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the air, the temperatures around the world started rising. Sea levels rose, and fresh water nearly disappeared.
And so you are developing fresh water, chemically.
You got that correct again, Mr. Batra. Now, can you guess the fourth department?
Because of all this, mainly water shortage and pollution, the earth became more and more dry, like a desert, which led to food scarcity around the world.
That is correct. Earth. In this department, we are creating synthetic crops, food with all essential nutrients.
Oh, so 4 elements of nature: fire, air, water, and earth.
For all these years, inventions like radio, television, computers have made our lives easier. And now, everything is easy. Only that, our life is in danger.
But there is nothing impossible in this, sir. This is very standard. In fact, you're doing it already. So I guess I win this coin.
Now comes the impossible part, Mr. Batra. Well, personally, I would love to call it impossible, but that's how it's been described, you know. We, in this company, are trying to create a material which will unify all four elements of nature into one. A material that can sustain life in itself. That is what we do at India Incorporated.
Are you guys crazy? Fire and water cannot live together. This unification is definitely impossible.
I know, it seems impossible, but we will one day achieve this unification.
What was that?
Oh, that is an indication that Mr. Gandhi will now adopt complete silence for 3 days. Helps him conserve his energy.
पहले से सुना था, आज देख भी लिया. This guy really is a mad scientist.
Sir, Mr. Gandhi cannot speak right now, but he can definitely listen.
I cannot believe this. I really cannot. This has never happened before in the history of the world. This is ridiculous. This man and his dream. What did he say? What the hell did he just say?
He says, first they laugh at you, then they ignore you, then they fight you, and then you win. Mr. Batra, now if you don't mind, let's take a little tour of our own.
Sure.
Will you have a smoke?
No, thank you. Actually, my wife does not approve of this.
Oh, you have a wife too?
What?
I mean, only a drinks garden. So, would you like to have some Glenfiddich?
Okay.
अरे फिर जब बैठ गया गांधी कुछ भी करता है. अरे मुझे पागल बुलाते हैं क्यों रे नीरो? अरे क्या नाम है तेरा? क्या नाम है? नाम नेरो. अरे और ये कौन है? बड़ा चिकना सा है. अरे टाई तो बड़ी गजब पहनी है तूने. अरे समझा उसको, कुछ एक नहीं होने वाला. तुम सब पागल हो. तुम्हारा नेता भी पागल. दिमाग खराब करके रख दे. बेवकूफ कहीं के कुछ भी करता.
Who is that?
He's Gordon Ramsay. He's mentally retarded, but a genius chemist. Better ignore him.
Gordon Ramsay.
Yes.
So, tell me, Nero, do you really believe in this man, your Mr. Gandhi?
Yes, sir. I do. I want my children to live in a better world. A world different from ours. And it is not just about my children. I love all children. Children are so innocent, you know.
So, you have a child, I suppose.
Yes, sir. A daughter. Very smart and cunning. Beats me every time in video games. The only time she lost, she got so angry that she declared an emergency in the house. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, Nero, I also want my daughter to breathe fresh air, drink pure water, live in a better world. I would really like to believe that your difficult dream comes true.
Well, you said difficult, not impossible. So shall I assume that you are already on board with the investment? This calls for another round. Let's go neat this time.
Sure.
Fresh protests have erupted against the controversial book by the writer Kabir. This time, the angry youth wing of the opposition party is taking to the streets and is attacking bookstores selling Kabir's books. Members of the opposition party believe that the book disrespects its prominent leaders Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi.
Indore, 11 a.m. A group of angry protesters belonging to Youth Congress attack a bookstore selling Mr. Kabir's books. Lucknow, 3 p.m. Members of the Samaj Party burn a hoarding that was promoting Mr. Kabir's book. Similar incidents were reported in Allahabad, Bhubaneswar, and Satara. A collective loss of rupees 5.5 lakhs. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, Your Honor? Make no mistake, we all condemn the violence and loss of property. But we really need to ask this question. Why are people angry? Jawaharlal Nehru का नाम बदल देना, यहाँ तक कि उनका धर्म बदल देना, showing him as an alcoholic, a smoker. Your Honor, this is the person associated with Children's Day. What kind of a message are we sending by with
that
this?
is because-
And we're not done, Your Honor. My second question is why make a joke on Indira Gandhi? अगर कबीर जी सोच समझ के इंदिरा जी को शालीनता से क्रिटिसाइज करते तो बात समझ में भी आती।
ऑब्जेक्शन सर, अगर इंदिरा गांधी ने सोचा होता, समझा होता, शालीनता बरती होती तो इमरजेंसी ही नहीं लगती।
Order, order. Objection overruled.
Mr. Kabir, why make a joke on someone who's no more?
मतलब, if I make a joke on you today, it is funny. If you die tomorrow, the joke becomes offensive.
Objection, Your Honor, irrelevant.
Order, order. Objection sustained. Mr. Kabir, please answer the questions well. This is a code, not a path.
Let's move ahead, Your Honor. Mr. Kabir does not stop here. What he does next in the book offends another hero of this country. Or should I say heroine, Mr. Kabir?
May I come in, sir? Sir, may I come in?
Oh, yes, Miss Ambedkar, please, come in. So, tell me, how are things going on in human resources, eh?
Things are going fine in HR, sir. Thank you.
So, tell me, how may I help you?
I have an issue that I wanted to bring to your notice.
Yes, please tell me.
The percentage of women employees in this company is very low. Very, very low. Especially in the higher managerial positions. The average pay for a woman is almost half that of a man.
I understand. That is a matter of deep concern, in fact. I am also equally worried about it. Why do you think there are so less women in the company when they are as hardworking as men?
So seeing that there are so few women employees, other women don't apply for jobs. You see, it's like a vicious circle.
So, what do you propose?
I propose a fixed quota for women employees in India Incorporated. Not only that, the reason that there are so few women in the company is because the people who get to decide who joins the company or who gets promoted are all men.
But Miss Ambedkar, wouldn't that mean we would have to suspend some male employees to fill the fixed quota?
Yes, sir, we will have to take strong measures. This is the only way to solve this problem. In fact, it's a norm in many European countries. Norway,
I'm
Spain...
sorry, but I cannot allow this, Miss Ambedkar. I simply cannot. Men and women will start hating each other if we allow this.
Very sorry to know, sir, that being the director of India, you don't feel strongly about gender issues.
I feel very strongly about gender issues, Miss Ambedkar, but I don't want my colleagues to fight with each other. I want to unite them.
Your Honor, in 1931, in the second round table conference, Ambedkar wanted separate electorates for the depressed classes and the minority in politics. But Gandhi was against it. Gandhi thought that such a system will create tension between the different castes.
Sir, this is the only way to ensure that there is no bias between men and women.
But it is against the very idea of this company, Miss Ambedkar. Please forget it. I cannot allow this.
I am not going to forget this idea, sir. I'm sorry.
The British agreed to Ambedkar's demand, going against Gandhi. Gandhi was against the quota and was very angry. As a protest, Mahatma Gandhi started a satyagraha and went on to a fast unto death.
Sir, this is the written notice. The new investor agrees with my idea and so does more than 50% of the office.
What does this mean?
This means that there will be a fixed quota for women employees in India Incorporated.
This is wrong. This is very wrong. This is against the very idea of India.
I'm sorry, sir, but as a woman, I feel strongly for this issue.
I feel strongly for this issue too, Miss Ambedkar. I was the one who backed the extension of maternity leave and benefits last year. Don't you remember that? I do not agree. In fact, I strongly oppose your method.
I'm not going to
I am going to protest against it. I will protest. I am going to write this cycle. I am going to write this cycle round and round the office change the compromise the streets. I will not eat nothing, even a drop of water.
Sir, you're being ridiculous.
Who started it, Miss Ambedkar? Who started it? I will not give up. I am going to round the office. I am going to give up. I am too sure, man. Please, full time. Please, I am going to give up. I am going to give up. I will protest. I will protest. I will protest bicycle round the office. Round the office.
Finally, on September 24th, 1932, 4 days after Gandhiji's fast, a compromise was reached between Ambedkar and Gandhi over the issue of separate electorates and quota for the minority in politics.
अरे सुनो भाई, अरे सुनो, अरे ये देखो, इसे कहते हैं बॉन्ग. क्या कहते हैं? बॉन्ग. इसमें आधा पानी और आधा हवा होती है, हाफ वाटर हाफ एयर. अब इसमें मैं कुछ धरती पर उगने वाली चीज डालता हूं। ये गया अर्थ। अब इसमें मैं लगाता हूं फायर। हो गया यूनिफिकेशन। पागल हो यार तुम, कुछ भी करते हो। कभी समंदर पर नमक बनाने निकल जाते हो, अब साइकिल चलाते रहोगे बस दिन भर। अच्छा सुनो सुनो ना, चिन्ना को निकाल दो कंपनी से, बता रहा हूं मैं, पागल आदमी है वो। अरे सुन रहा हूं मैं, सुन रहे हो कि नहीं? अरे सुनो। ये आ गई, मान जाएगी तुम्हारी सब बातें। पागल लोग हैं, साइकिल का चलाना चालू कर दी, डर जाते हैं सब। अरे चलाने दो साइकिल इन्हें, मत मानो इनकी बात। अरे सुनो मेरी माँ, अरे सुन ले यार, क्या
30%
सुनना
fixed quota for women employees.
We agree to 20%.
Okay, 20%. A separate committee for interviewing women candidates.
Yeah, agreed.
But women can also apply outside the quota.
Oh, yes. I'll be pleased to. Also, this 20% will not increase even if I'm not there.
Agreed. Now please stop, sir. Sir, please. Sir, please stop. What else do you want? Sir, what?
I want food.
अरे मत देना खाना इसको, कोई भी मत देना बिल्कुल खाना।
Now,
मारेगा क्या?
I would like to call Munim ji, who's a volunteer of the Samaj Party. आइए मुनीम जी। क्या लगता है इस किताब के विषय में आपको?
अरे एकदम थर्ड क्लास किताब है। अंबेडकर जी हमारे गुरु हैं, हमारे भगवान हैं। यूपी में आके देखिए जरा, कितनी मूर्तियां बनवाई है हमने भीम जी की। साला ऐसा लेकर धब्बा है देश के नाम पे, एंटी नेशनल है ये। पाकिस्तान
एक मिनट, क्या गलत बताया है अंबेडकर जी के बारे में इस किताब में?
अरे अंबेडकर जी जो इतने महान पुरुष थे, उन्हें ऐसा छोटे स्कर्ट पहनने वाली, ऑफिस में काम करने वाली बाजारू लड़की बताए। ये कोई हमारे देश के संस्कार होते?
Are you sure what I said is offensive and what this man is saying is not offensive to you?
You cannot ask my personal opinion, Mr. Kabir.
Sir, the court needs to understand that this is not a book about pre-independence India. This is a book about our present and our future. I might have changed the people, I might have changed their names, might have changed their religions or their gender, but I have not changed their ideas. And that is what is important. Prosecution.
Your Honor, by creating controversy, Mr. Kabir is just trying to attract attention. He is begging for the world's attention. And he is succeeding in it, Your Honor. After the beginning of this case, the sales of this book have gone up by 70%. Maybe this is what Mr. Kabir wanted. While people everywhere around the country are protesting and getting offended, Mr. Kabir here is getting richer. Day by day, hearing by hearing. And therefore, I appeal to the court to completely ban Mr. Kabir's book, Discovery of India.
वाह, क्या बात करती हो मैडम तुम, वाह।
Munim ji, the court is not certain whether the writer of this book has intentionally tried to hurt the sentiments of the public or not. But the book has surely caused tension and unrest in the Indian public. As per Article 19, Clause 1 and Subclause A, the book is publicly banned with immediate effect for being a threat to the public order. Till then, the court is dismissed.
अब आपके लिए पेश कर रहे हैं एक बेहतरीन नया नगमा, जिसके बोल लिखे हैं पंडित घनश्याम जी ने और उस्ताद सुरेंद्र जयपाल ने। इसे अपनी आवाज से निखारा है उभरती हुई नई कलाकार बेबी श्रेया, माने हुए कलाकार रिजू एवं सुदीप्तो जी ने। संगीत दिया है मंझे हुए दिग्गज संगीतकार निरगुड़कर साहब ने। इस गीत की फरमाइश की है रेवाड़ी जंक्शन से यादव जी ने, जो आज हमारे साथ नहीं है। छिंदवाड़ा से बाबा चावला ने, कई जगहों से बद्री ने, और भिलवाड़ा से सिम्मी और उनकी बहनों ने। गिने चुने लोगों को यह सूचित किया जाता है कि यह होता है जोक बनाने का असली तरीका। खुद का नाम लेकर खुद पर हंसकर पेश करते हैं भारत बैन विधाता।
बच्चों बताओ, ए फॉर एंगर, आई फॉर पप्पू, प्रिया को घूरना बंद करो। इज दिस योर कल्चर? चलो आगे बताओ, सी फॉर कल्चर। अरे सी से एक और बता सकते हो ना, है ना? हाँ बोलो। अरे सी फॉर सेंसर बोलो। अच्छा, ओए तुम दोनों क्या कर रहे हो आपस में? तुम दोनों तो लड़के हो। इज दिस योर कल्चर? चलो आगे बताओ, बी फॉर, अरे बी फॉर,
ये देखो इन आजकल के लड़कों को, ये देखो हमसे जबान लड़ाते हैं, वो भी अंग्रेजी में। ये सब पश्चिमी सभ्यता का असर है। अगर दम है में तो अपनी मातृभाषा में हमसे बात करें ना। सही बात है, सब बैन कर दो साला, सब बैन कर दो, जो कुछ भी है सब बैन कर दो, कर दो बैन, कर दो बैन, सारा बैन करो।
We are living
in a very different world. A new world. Internet has changed everything. Knowledge is freely available. Internet has given us, all of us, the power to express, to say whatever we want without any fear. Internet is the freest medium that we have ever invented. Our world is in a constant war with the old world. The world consisting of governments, corporates who want to snatch away our freedom for their own interests, to protect their own bank accounts. I would like to conclude by saying that Tim Berners-Lee, the man who invented the World Wide Web, could have made millions out of his invention, but he gave the web away for free. That is the reason why you and I can use it. Internet was founded on the principles of knowledge sharing and freedom, and we can't let that go. Thank you, Mumbai. You've been a wonderful, wonderful audience. यार मेरा असाइनमेंट करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है।
भाई ये असाइनमेंट नहीं किया ना तो तेरी डिग्री तो गई।
मिल जाएगी यार। Everyone in the college loves me.
Dude, everyone hates you. कॉलेज के प्रोफेसर से लेके पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तक पता नहीं कितने केसेस चल रहे हैं तेरे अगेंस्ट।
एक केस तो आपके पिताजी की पार्टी ने ठोका है। बोलिए उनसे जरा, रहम करे बच्चे पर।
उनका बस चले तो मुझ पर ही केस ठोक दें।
पिज्जा खाएगा? जल्दी बता यार, 5 मिनट बाद डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा। पैसे बचाने के लिए फिर से वो गंदा सा हमस वाला शोरमा।
ये पढ़ा तूने?
क्या कोई नया डिस्काउंट कूपन है क्या?
अरे नहीं बे, दे बैन डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया।
वो नेहरू की किताब इतने सालों बाद?
नो मैन, इंडिया विद अ वाई, द बुक दैट आई वाज रीडिंग बाय कबीर।
बैन कर दी? क्यों बैन कर दी?
They think it's a threat to public order and safety. देश भर में लोग बुक के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
ऐसा क्या है बुक में?
कुछ नहीं यार, इंडिया को अलग तरह से दिखाया है बस। इट्स अ वेरी गुड बुक, फनी, सैटारिकल, हार्ड हिटिंग इन फैक्ट। एनीवे तू पिज्जा ऑर्डर कर। ओए कर ना, तूने ही तो कहा था कि 2 मिनट में तेरा डिस्काउंट खत्म हो जाएगा।
सुन, तेरे पास किताब है अभी?
हाँ है। क्यों, क्या हुआ?
दिखा जरा, जल्दी दिखाना। भाई एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरा असाइनमेंट कर देगा प्लीज?
क्या? क्यों?
यार आई नीड टू रीड दिस बुक एज सून एज पॉसिबल, इट कांट वेट।
यार तू फिर से नहीं, तू पिज्जा ऑर्डर कर पहले।
ये आखिरी टाइम है यार, बस इस बार कर दे। देख तू मेरा असाइनमेंट कर देगा ना, तेरे को बियर पिलाऊंगा, चीज पिज्जा भी खिलाऊंगा। प्लीज यार कर देना यार प्लीज। Oh my God, what is this?
Sir? Sir, are you fine?
Yes, yes.
I think something's wrong. What's wrong, sir?
It happened, Nehru. It happened.
You mean?
Yes. Sir, this is huge. This is huge.
Sir, this calls for a party.
Yes, Nehru, yes. Call everyone at midnight. Let the world know. And I want you to announce it, Nehru. You. At midnight, you will give a speech.
Yes, sir.
I finished the book. There is nothing wrong with it. Why the hell did they ban it? The publisher could not even release the e-book.
पता नहीं यार, पापा की पार्टी वाले भी ओपोज कर रहे हैं बुक को।
उनको जाके बोल that they are idiots. Anyway, it's not going to matter.
मतलब?
I'm digitizing the book. I'll make an e-book version, upload it online for free.
Siddharth, that will be a serious crime. It's banned by the government. And this time it's not porn, it's serious.
किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा यार. I'll upload it anonymously.
देख यार संभल के, तेरे खिलाफ ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे केसेस चल रहे हैं।
ठीक है यार, अब इतने केसेस चल रहे हैं, एक और सही। I can't just sit here and watch this happen. I have to do it.
Can't stop you, man. I can only advise you. As you wish then.
सुन, कुणाल।
हाँ?
अंकल को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए यार. I trust you on this.
हाँ यार, don't worry. He doesn't even know that I hang out with you.
Cool. I'll see you in 3-4 days then. Attendance का देख लेना थोड़ा.
ना हो पाएगा भाई, बायोमेट्रिक है।
चल फिर डिच।
Obviously, new people in this conversion, it is dirty, very dirty. We have to digitize every letter of every word so that people can read it on their Kindles and iPads and desktops and laptops like they are actually reading the official ebook. The question being, how fast can it be done?
The controversial book Discovery of India has been banned and has been removed from public domain. The groups that were protesting against the book are now celebrating. Let us go to Allahabad.
I'm certainly not typing each and every word here in these 575 pages. 300 words a page makes it only 2,000 words. Typing out 100 words per minute, it will take 1 day and 6 hours. As I assume, too much. So I make people type it out for me. All of them will be my partners in crime. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Recapture.
किताब तो बैन हो गई, लेकिन जिन्होंने किताब खरीदी है, उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
फेंक दो उस किताब को, कचरे में फेंक दो। मैं तो कहता हूँ जला दो उस किताब को। और इस कबीर को तो देख लेंगे हम। क्या ये संस्कार सिखाए कबीर को उसके माँ बाप ने?
For this to work, first I want an OCR which will break the scan book into many pieces and then upload these pieces of words on my website as captcha entries. My entry against a non-entry, and when people enter the website, they prove that they are real people and not programmed bots while unknowingly digitizing my unknown entry. One stone, two birds, that's efficiency.
सबको पता चल जाए कि इस देश के खिलाफ कोई कुछ भी बोलेगा तो उसके साथ ऐसा ही होगा। बोलो भारत माता की जय।
Accumulating these and combining it in sequence, word by word, page by page, 575 pages, chapter by chapter, 20 chapters in total. Take 75% accuracy and 500,000 daily new visitors mean my book gets ready in 13 hours flat, which is logically feasible by a margin of 17 hours. Simple.
अगर आज से ये किताब किसी के हाथ में या किसी के घर में पाई जाती है तो वो आदमी समझ ले कि वो खुद जिम्मेदार है। याद रखना इस बात को।
All that is left is to upload the book online. Being used to Twitter and Reddit accounts for publicity. As for the source, Pirate Bay is back online these days. God bless Sweden. Sharing is caring.
Just when we thought that the Discovery of India controversy was over, there is a new twist in the tale. An online version of the book has emerged and is available on the internet for free. An estimated 1 million people have downloaded the book in the last 2 days. Of course, the number of people sharing it on mail, storage devices and peer-to-peer networks cannot be estimated.
Pick up the phone, Siddharth. Pick up the phone. Damn it, phone उठा. Shit. सिद्धार्थ भाग वहां से, भाग.
Yes, come in.
हेलो, पहचाना नहीं आपने?
I'm sorry, आप?
अरे पढ़ता हूँ ना मैं आपके साथ कॉलेज में।
अच्छा, क्या नाम है आपका?
अरे बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ मैं आपका। एक सेकेंड। Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. At the stroke of the midnight hour, as companies all around the world sleep, India will awake to life and success. With great honor and privilege, I announce that we have successfully created our first prototype. Yes, brothers and Miss Ambedkar, we have unified all 4 elements of nature into one single material. We have proved to the world. Excuse me. Hello? Yeah, Mrs. Batra. Oh, Mr. Batra is in there. Oh, yeah, I'll be there tonight. I'm kind of in the middle of a speech right now. Yeah. Yeah, how about I call you later? Yeah, okay. Sorry. We have proved to the world that earth, air, fire and water can live together in harmony. We should thank the efforts of a very special person here. Mr. Gandhi.
Yeah, we love you, Mr. Gandhi!
While it is time for celebration, we should not forget that our journey is still incomplete. About 100 years ago, Steve Jobs, one of the greatest entrepreneurs of that time, said, "Good companies create, but great companies ship." Yes, our journey will only be over when we ship our product all around the world for the benefit of people. Now, who is with me on this dream? Say I. Mr. Jinnah, you didn't say I.
Yes, I have a problem with India.
What are you saying?
I am not happy with this company.
But
I only want to make food, earth. That is what is important to me. I don't want to make your other products. And I definitely do not believe in the foolish dream of unifying them.
बोला तो मैंने सुन तो नहीं यूनिफिकेशन करना यूनिफिकेशन
But Mr. Jinnah, we have just...
I do not care if you have already made the prototype. I am quitting this company and I am making a new company.
Sir, but this is such a happy moment.
Shut up, Nero! Never interrupt me when I am speaking. It is final. I am breaking away from this company, selling my stakes and making my own new company. I'm also taking some people from it.
You cannot do that, sir.
Shut up! Come up, guys. It's time to leave. Wait. What about you all?
We are not going with you, sir. We are staying back with our old colleagues.
Are you crazy? Do you seriously believe in the foolish dream of unification?
Yes, sir. We believe in Mr. Gandhi's dream.
Even you cannot stop us. I brought the papers and now I want you, Mr. Gandhi, to sign on it right now.
मत साइन करना गांधी मत साइन करना बता रहा हूं मैं गांधी में मार दूंगा तुमको मत साइन करना गांधी में मार दूंगा तुम्हें मत साइन करना
Don't you want to read it first?
मत साइन करना गांधी मार दूंगा तुम्हें
Your Honor, this is a sad day in the history of judiciary. The book that we've been debating over for almost a month now. The book that heard the sentiments of people from across the country. The book which we all agree goes against the very fabric of our democracy. That book has taken her first life. In the last hearing, Discovery of India was banned by this court because it was deemed a threat to the Indian public order. People all around the country were happy. 2 days later, an e-book appeared on the internet which could be downloaded free of cost. The people who were celebrating the victory of India were now very angry. Again. And this anger and frustration led to the death of Mr. Siddharth Mehta, the internet activist who had allegedly uploaded the book online.
Are you trying to justify Mr. Mehta's death?
I'm not justifying his death. I'm holding you responsible for his murder. It was your book that ended the life of a 22-year-old college student. अगर आपने ये किताब नहीं लिखी होती, तो क्या लोगों में इतना आक्रोश आता? क्या वो इतना गुस्सा होते? क्या मैं ये दिन देखना पड़ता?
So what? I mean, I did not kill Siddharth Mehta.
But you provoked his death. You caused it.
मतलब सर, अभी मैं बहुत गुस्सा हूँ इन पर. अगर मैं अभी जाके ऐसे इनको दीक्षिता जी को चाटा मारूं, तो आप मुझे जेल में डालोगे ना? है ना? मैं जाऊंगा जेल में. पर क्यों? मुझे क्यों डाल रहे हो जेल में? गुस्सा तो इन्होंने दिलाया. She provoked me. She caused it. दीक्षिता जी के लॉजिक के हिसाब से उनको जेल में डालना चाहिए.
Order, order. This is not a valid defense, Mr. Kabir.
Mr. Kabir, I really suggest you hire a good lawyer. Your Honor, I would like to draw your attention to an important aspect in this case. The book was banned a week back by this court. So not a lot of people out there have a copy of the book with them. Mr. Kabir, is it correct that the publisher was going to release an official e-book of Discovery of India just a day after it was banned?
What are you trying to say?
Your Honor,
The defense may please answer the question.
Yes.
Right. So I'm assuming that you have the e-book with you already. Publisher ने share तो की होगी ना आपके साथ?
हाँ, मेरे पास e-book थी.
Did you know Siddharth Mehta?
So I did not release the e-book. The prosecution is making wild allegations without any proof.
I agree. We do not have a conclusive proof yet. But for every crime, two things are needed. Means and motive. Zariya और मकसद. क्या इनके पास जरिया था? था. बिल्कुल था. इनके पास ई-बुक थी जो अगले ही दिन रिलीज होने वाली थी. क्या इनके पास मकसद था? बिल्कुल था. The book that Mr. Kabir had written working so hard was banned. Mr. Kabir was angry. Mr. Kabir wanted revenge. Mr. Kabir knew he was going to jail. There's the motive, Your Honor. I request the police to focus on this aspect of this case in its investigation. And I want this to be noted, Your Honor.
Do you have anything else to say in your defense, Mr. Kabir?
I did not release the e-book online, sir.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained. If defense has no evidence, the court will proceed. I suggest the police to do a thorough investigation of whether it was Mr. Kabir who helped release the e-book online. The court is dismissed.
God, I hate this case.
I love this case. We're going to win this so easily. It's almost like we're India and he's Pakistan. That too in a World Cup.
I don't want to win this case.
Wow, that's something no lawyer has said before. Why do you want to lose this case?
Don't you see? We're on the wrong side of this case. We're doing the wrong thing by going against Kabir.
Deekshita, you're a lawyer. There are no right and wrong sides.
This case has a right side and a wrong side. And unfortunately, we're not on the right side.
You are telling me this? You have defended murderers before. Where was your conscience then?
This is different, Tushar. This case has become a national issue now. Pata hai kya hoga if we win this case? Every writer, every painter, every comedian, every filmmaker will be scared to death to say something controversial. And these idiots, ये सदमोहन शाह और ये समाज पार्टी के गुंडे, इन्हें और ताकत मिल जाएगी. This case will become an example to kill individual voice for the government. Free expression will lose. Intolerance will win. And we will make it happen.
So, why did you accept the case in the first place?
मुझे क्या पता था यार इसमें इतने सारे एंगल्स आ जाएंगे. मर्डर हो जाएगा, नेशनल इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगा. I thought this was just another 2-hearing case.
But you know what? We're going to win this case even if you screw up intentionally.
I'm not going to screw up intentionally. एक तो इस कबीर को डिफेंड करना नहीं आता ठीक से. I just wish he defended himself well in this case.
So you're going to help him?
Should I? I should na, है ना तुषार?
Whoa, I did not give you the idea. I'm out of this. I just want my stipend.
I'll see you later then.
Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this?
ट्रू कॉलर नहीं है तुम्हारे पास?
तुम चिल्ला नहीं रही ना, इसलिए तुम्हारी आवाज पहचान नहीं पाया. Tell me, Miss Prosecution, how can I help you to make my life more difficult?
I've called you to apologize.
Apologize? Wow. Why?
Look, I've never done this before, so don't make it difficult for me.
Okay, go on.
I'm sorry that I was... What was that?
I don't know.
What the hell is going on?
I think they are attacking my house.
Shit, do you have a back exit?
I do, but where will I go? No friend, no hotel will allow.
Just get out right now. Just get out. I'm texting you an address. Carry your phone with you.
No. Should I go? What's going on? Shit.
Hey, are you okay?
I think so.
Sure, nobody's following you, right?
Yeah.
Come in, come in. अरे जल्दी आओ अंदर, तुम मुझे मरवाओगे. Sit. It's okay, I'm not tricking you. Just sit. You're safe here.
Are you sure that I'm safe here?
Yes, this is the last place they'll expect you to be. It's like expecting a sheep in a lion's den.
Oh, so I'm a sheep then, and you are a lion.
It's a metaphor, you're reading it wrong.
My entire book is a metaphor. You guys are reading it wrong.
Look, I'm trying to help you here. तुम क्या लगी मेरे पीछे पड़े?
But look, why now suddenly? Because you have now realized that you are wrong and I am right, huh? Why did you fight the case in the first place?
मैं नहीं लड़ती तो कोई और लड़ लेता, और तुम फिर भी हार जाते. You don't know how to defend yourself in a court. कितनी आसानी से मैंने जज को कन्विंस कर दिया कि वो ई-बुक तुमने अपलोड करवाई थी.
मैं क्या कहता?
तुम अपनी वाली ई-बुक दिखाते. I'm sure तुम्हारी ई-बुक अलग होती सिद्धार्थ मेहता की ई-बुक से. कुछ तो अलग होता. Informed, design, page setting. तुम्हारी 20 MB की होती, उसकी 40 MB की होती. It was that simple.
अरे, what are you doing now?
तुम्हारे सोने की जगह बता रही हूँ तुम्हें.
Excuse me, I love books, but that does not mean I'll sleep inside a bookshelf. ओइश. But ये सब तुम्हारे घर में क्यों?
I do a lot of criminal cases. मुझे भी छुपना पड़ता है बहुत बार. And then I'm a woman in this profession. Like your Miss Ambedkar, women are rare in this profession.
Oh, so you do agree with me on that point, the whole Miss Ambedkar issue?
I agree with most of the things you've written or said in the court.
Most? Not all?
No, 75%. Maybe 80%.
So, what do you disagree with?
That is not important. What is important is how will you make the judge agree with you.
What do you want me to do?
We should prepare for the next hearing.
Abhi?
Yes, Abhi. Imagine this is the court, this is the witness box, and this is the judge.
This is the judge?
Yeah, I do this all the time. Come stand here. Okay? Your Honor, I would like Mr. Kabir to read a part from his book, chapter 16, page number 398.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Nero.
Sir, we have a problem. Sir,
What
after
is it?
Mr. Jinnah's exit, all 4 departments, Earth, Fire, Air and Water, want to make their own companies. They want to basically quit India. And we cannot let this happen, sir.
I understand. This is a very difficult situation.
Yes, sir.
There is only one man who can probably solve this problem.
I think you mean...
Yes. Call Mr. Patel.
नमस्कार। देखिए, हम गांधी जी की हत्या का खंडन करते हैं, लेकिन गोडसे को दिमागी रूप से स्थल दिखाना यह कहाँ की बात हुई? हम ये बात तो बिल्कुल मानते हैं कि गोडसे को गांधी जी की हत्या नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, लेकिन गांधी जी के खिलाफ गोडसे के जो राजनीतिक ख्याल थे वो तो आपको समझना चाहिए ना। वो तो आपने इस किताब में दिखा ही नहीं है बिल्कुल। हमारा संघ गोडसे जी के ख्यालों से वास्ता रखता है और हम इस किताब को नकारते हैं, समझ लीजिए आप।
मे आई सर गो ऑन। तो गिरीश सिंह जी, क्या कारण था गोडसे जी के पास जिसके लिए उन्होंने गांधी जी तक को मार दिया
है? ये हमें क्या पता, उनसे ही जाके पूछिए।
अरे अभी तो आपने कहा कि उनके राजनीतिक ख्यालों से आपका संघ वास्ता रखता है।
गोडसे नहीं चाहते थे कि हिंदुस्तान का विभाजन हो और गांधी जी के कारण ही हिंदुस्तान का विभाजन हुआ।
अच्छा सर, आई वुड लाइक टू रीड फ्रॉम दिस सीबीएसई क्लास 8th हिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक। गिरीश सिंह जी, ये किताब सरकार ने लिखवाई है, आपकी ही सरकार है एक तरह से, तो है ना? तो सुनते हैं कि आपकी सरकार क्या कहती है। It was Vallabhbhai Patel who first agreed to the partition of India, who then convinced Nehru. Nehru and Patel then convinced Gandhi about the partition as it was the only choice left. Gandhi was saddened. तो या तो आप गलत हैं या आपकी सरकार।
आपके पास कोई ऐतिहासिक सबूत है सिंह जी?
चलो कोई बात नहीं। और क्या कारण था गोडसे के पास?
कारण गांधी जी से कांग्रेस में डिक्टेटर बन गए थे, सिर्फ उनकी।
मिस्टर गिरीश सिंह, आप भारत के पितामह के बारे में ऐसी बातें कोर्ट में नहीं बोल सकते।
नो सर, प्लीज लेट हिम स्पीक। He has the full right to say whatever he wants. You and I might not agree with him, but that's a different issue. बोलिए जी, बोलिए।
गांधी जी डिक्टेटर बन गए थे कांग्रेस में।
अच्छा, बोल लिया। बहुत गलत बात बोली आपने। मैं बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं हूं। तो मैं आपका घर जला दूं आपका घर? नहीं जलाऊंगा मैं, क्योंकि आप में और मुझ में फर्क है। चलो कोई बात नहीं, गांधी जी डिक्टेटर थे आपके हिसाब से। सर, ऐसा कौन सा डिक्टेटर है जो अपनी बात मनवाने के लिए भूख हड़ताल करता है, सत्याग्रह करता है? हिटलर तो गोली मार देता था ना, क्यों गिरीश जी?
अरे हिटलर तो पागल था।
अच्छा, तो जो आदमी अपनी बात मनवाने के लिए गोली मार दे वो पागल है?
हाँ बिल्कुल पागल है।
हाँ तो बस फिर मैंने गोडसे को पागल दिखा के सही किया, बात पक्की।
अरे लेकिन
हाँ बोलिए।
अरे यार, जैसा फंसा जा रहा है।
Mr. Girish Singh's argument is rejected. I request Ms. Dikshita to not waste court's precious time with frivolous issues. आप जाइए सिंह जी, court is dismissed.
The light has gone out of our lives. The light that guided us through doubt and difficult times, that guiding light has now gone out of our lives. But this is not a time to mourn. This is not a time to be sad. This is the time to celebrate the life and times of our hero, who showed us how to lead our lives truthfully and in complete submission and dedication to what we truly believe in. India meant everything to him. Above all material things in his life, he wanted the well-being of his fellow colleagues. Mr. Gandhi, before he died, chose one of us to lead the way for others. The person he chose is one of the smartest and most capable member of India. It is my pleasure to announce to you the new CEO of India, Ms. Ambedkar. Please. Yes, Mr. Gandhi and Ms. Ambedkar never agreed on most things. But as great a man as Mr. Gandhi was, he recognized the smart mind and zeal for justice in Ms. Ambedkar. He kept his critics close to him and welcomed criticism. Ms. Ambedkar, we keep our deep trust in you to show us the right way ahead. Always remember whose shoes you fill in.
you.
That was a good defense. You might have lost the war, but you won an important battle. Why are you smiling?
It's funny. Jawaharlal Nehru went to jail and wrote Discovery of India. I'm going to jail for writing Discovery of India.
Well, history repeats itself, sometimes in weird ways.
No, but what have we come to? I'm going to jail for writing a book. Long live freedom of expression.
Why is that so difficult to believe? Writers have social responsibility too. I'm not saying what you wrote was wrong, but then
What did you say? Social responsibility. Arey, what social responsibility? We are writers, not NGOs.
तो तुम बोल रहे हो कि कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकता है बिना सोचे समझे?
क्यों नहीं? These are just words on paper. इनसे किसी का कुछ बुरा नहीं होता.
अच्छा, तो ये ओएसी और ये तोगड़िया, इन सबको कुछ भी बोलने देना चाहिए?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं?
For your information, Mr. Freedom of Expression, उनके स्पीचेस के कारण दंगे हो चुके हैं.
अरे तो वो लोग बेवकूफ हैं जो स्पीचेस से भड़क जाते हैं. उनको अक्ल होनी चाहिए ना. A man should be allowed to say whatever he wants. People should use their brains, not to resort to violence.
I understand your point, but we don't live in that world. India is not America yet.
Okay.
And that's why all of us have a social responsibility. We can't say whatever we want and then say, hey, freedom of expression, you know?
Okay, agreed. Now, do you have something to drink?
Finish the debate first.
I don't care. You agree with 90% of my book anyways. I win the debate.
I do not. Now I agree to only 75% of your book after what you just said.
That's still 2/3. इतने में भारत में सरकार बन जाती है दीक्षिता जी.
Kabir, this is not a order.
Dikshita, this is not a court. Stop debating.
I don't have a drink.
Then I'm going to sleep.
Talk to me. You have an entire life to sleep.
Sleeping in a jail does not count, Dikshita. And for God's sake, read better books.
You're just jealous of him because he sells better than you. Sorry, no offense.
You know, I should have written that on the first page of my book. No offense. शायद लोग offend नहीं होते.
Kabir, your book is the one India deserves, but not the one it needs right now.
Wow. Very original.
Good night, Dikshita.
Good night, Kabir.
The day has come, my friends. Miss Ambedkar has completed writing our future roadmap, our plans, our laws, our destiny. With a grand round of applause, please welcome Miss Ambedkar to the podium.
Your Honor, I would like to call Mr. Kabir to the witness box. All said and done, Mr. Kabir. I want to ask you a question. In fact, every Indian likes to ask you this question. Why did you write this book?
5,000 years ago, when the world was in the shadow of ignorance, a great civilization arose, the Harappa civilization. In the next 5,000 years to come, this land saw the wisdom of the Aryans, the greatness of Asoka, the acumen of Chanakya, the invasion of Ghazni, the art and architecture of the Mughals, the brutality of the British, and the struggle to independence. When on 26th January 1950, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was about to declare India an independent republic, he had the burden of 5,000 years of India's glorious past.
How should the future India be? Some of you believe that it is impossible for all of us to stay together. Some of you say that fire and water can never live with each other. Some others say that one should be given more importance over others. जितने लोग उतने ही विचार. कोई कहता है कि इन सब विचारों को खुला छोड़ दिया तो लोग एक दूसरे से लड़ भिड़ेंगे, चिल्लाते रहेंगे, चीखते रहेंगे.
तो क्या हमें इन चीखों को शांत कर देना चाहिए? एक कमरे में 1000 लोग खड़े हैं, अलग अलग कपड़े पहने, सब ही अलग अलग भाषा में चिल्ला रहे हैं. आपके जैसा समझदार इंसान भी ऑर्डर करके सबको शांत कर देगा ना. लेकिन हमारे पूर्वजों ने सोचा,
चीखो, जो मर्जी में आए चीखो. हाँ, कुछ चीखों से मुसीबतें खड़ी होंगी, लेकिन कुछ चीखें हमें आगे का रास्ता दिखाएंगी. कुछ चीखें हमारी बंद आंखें खोलेंगी और कुछ चीखें हमें अंधेरे से उजाले में ले जाएंगी.
हमारा देश बड़ी 1000 चीखों से बना है सर. मेरी किताब भी उन चीखों में से एक है. आप किसी भी चीख को शांत नहीं कर सकते. मेरा गला काटने से मेरी चीख बंद नहीं होगी. मेरी चीख सर रुक जाइए, आपको कुछ कहना था, मैंने कहने नहीं दिया। कैसा लगा? गलती आपकी नहीं है। हमारे देश में हम इंसान को भगवान बहुत जल्दी बना देते हैं सर। 33 करोड़ भगवान है इस देश में, लेकिन हमें फिर भी कम पड़ते हैं। पुतले बना दिए, मंदिर बना दिए, हजारों रास्तों को, गलियों को गांधी का, नेहरू का, अम्बेडकर का नाम दे दिया, और अब तो हम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पुतला बना रहे हैं सर। भक्त बन गए सर, भक्त।
Gandhi, Patel, Nehru are all great men, but all are human beings. If you want to respect them, don't make them gods, because gods only have bodies of stone. Gods don't have hearts and minds, because gods can only be worshipped. Gods can never be criticized, because gods can only have disciples. Gods can never have followers.
I am a follower, not a disciple. मैं भक्त नहीं हूँ। आप सब जिन्होंने दुकानें तोड़ी, जिन्होंने मेरा घर जलाया, जिन्होंने सिद्धार्थ मेहता की जान ली, आप सब भक्त हैं। आपको नेहरू के धर्म बदल जाने पर तकलीफ है, लेकिन ये याद नहीं कि नेहरू जी खुद धर्मनिरपेक्ष थे। अम्बेडकर जी को औरत दिखाने में आपको तकलीफ है, लेकिन ये याद नहीं कि उन्होंने ही हिंदू, मुसलमान, आदमी, औरत, ब्राह्मण, शूद्र सभी के लिए समान अधिकार मांगे थे।
This is the India that we all dream of. Thank you.
That's all, Your Honor. The court is dismissed.